Hey everybody, it's Shark Scrapper. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we work to get stuff out of the trash and over to big piles like this, which is a shred pile at a recycling yard or a scrap yard. Now, you may recall from my last video, I had a conundrum because my truck was full that I wasn't able to unload because of a thunderstorm, and I had to start the last street scrap with a full truckload. I went over to the yard, I unloaded, as you can see here, and now we're going to head back to that neighborhood and dive into the scrap that's waiting for us. Come on, let's go. Alright, so a computer that somebody has opened, and they left the hard drive and stuff in there. I'm going to go ahead and take the whole box because you guys are metal. But I'm going to take the box so that trash guys don't just leave it sitting there. They may not pick up an empty box. Don't forget, we have a major Shark Scrapper announcement coming out on the 12th of July. That's the Monday of Shark Week. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Mr. Fan. Will? Oh, what are you doing here? Oh, bother. As Winnie the Pooh would say. Hi, Chihuahua. Oh, man. Sometimes that's just the way it happens. What are you going to do? All right. I don't want you guys. So we're going to put you down inside there. Hey, where are you going? Get over there. And there was one of these things ran away. Get over there. Hard to tell. I'm not going to go rooting around in boxes that are all taped up. Sometimes it's good to get a different perspective on things, so how about we take a different view of scrapping? Yeah, not much I can do about that. Yeah, well, I went and put it on the other side of the truck where the camera isn't located. Sorry about that. All right, I'm going to straighten up this mess here and get my broom and sweep up. You couldn't see it, but there was a lot of rusty metal that fell out of that grill. I'm going to clean up here, but let's just get on to the next site. Oh my God, is this the worst camera angle in the history of YouTube videos? Not the ugliest load I've ever had, but certainly right up there. Well, I've got a little mess to clean up here, don't I? So here we are, back where we started from, only this time we have a load of different scrap to go in. Now I'm going to let this keep playing in real time because I want to give you all a sense of how quickly the weather can change here in Northeast Florida. Wasn't raining when I started unloading, and just keep watching. Now, while we're at it, let's go through the numbers real quick. You'll recall that the first load at the beginning of this video was 700 pounds, and that yielded $65.45. This load was not quite as good, but it's rather typical, 420 pounds at 9.35 cents a pound for $39.27. So it was a $100+ day. And wow, look at how fast that rain has picked up. And you're about to see one of my less than brilliant unload moves. Yeah, that was not exactly smart. Well, my timing was actually really good because I was able to get unloaded here and get back over the scale, get my payout, and then the heavens really opened up and it just got insane. And there was a big backlog of people trying to get over the scale, and the rain was just pouring down in buckets. So even though I'm getting comfortably wet here, it got a lot worse. Hey, don't forget the 12th of July on the Monday of Shark Week, major shark scrapper announcement. I can't wait to share it with you all. I'm really excited about it. Link's going to pop up here. Take you to more of my street scrapping videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the little red button down in the lower right-hand corner. And I will go dry off and see you all on the next one.